Hello, welcome to Smart English Official. Can I ask you something strange?
Strange. Okay, go ahead.
What if you could learn English while you sleep?
While I sleep? That sounds like a dream.
It is not a dream.
Really?
It is real, and today we are going to tell you exactly how.
So, friends, if you want to improve your English
Without extra study time,
without extra effort,
just while you sleep,
then this episode is for you.
stay with us. This is going to be very interesting.
Let's go.
Welcome back to Smart English Official.
Your easy and friendly English podcast for beginners and everyday learners.
I am Lima.
And I am James. Hello, Lima. Hello to all our amazing friends listening right now.
Hi, James. How did you sleep last night?
I slept very well, actually.
And did you learn any English while sleeping?
You know what? Maybe I did. That is our topic today.
Yes. Today we are talking about something very exciting.
Can you learn English while you sleep?
This is a question many people ask.
And the answer might surprise you.
We will talk about the science behind it,
What to listen to,
how to do it correctly.
and how to get the best results.
This is a full guide for English learners.
But before we start, we need a small favor from you.
If you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button right now.
It really helps us grow.
And subscribe to Smart English Official. New episodes every week.
Share this with a friend who's learning English.
Maybe a friend who wants to learn while sleeping.
Perfect. Okay, Lima, let's start.
Does it really work?
So, Lima, first question. Is this real?
Can we actually learn English while we sleep?
I mean, it sounds a little crazy.
I understand. It sounds too good to be true.
Like magic.
But it is not magic. It is science.
Okay, tell me more.
So, when you sleep, your brain does not stop working.
Really? I thought the brain rests during sleep.
Your body rests, but your brain is still busy.
Busy doing what?
Your brain is organizing everything you learned that day.
Like sorting and saving information?
Exactly. Think of your brain like a computer.
Okay.
During the day, you put new files on the desktop.
The new words, the new sentences.
Yes, and at night, while you sleep,
The computer organizes the files.
it moves them to the right folders.
So the information becomes easier to find later.
Exactly. This process has a name.
What is it called?
Memory consolidation.
Memory consolidation. What does that mean in simple words?
It means your brain makes your memory stronger while you sleep.
Oh, so studying before sleep is actually a good idea.
Very good idea. You study, then sleep, and your brain does the rest.
That is amazing. But Lima, what about listening to English while we sleep?
Good question. There was a real study about this.
A real study? Tell me more.
Scientists in Switzerland did an experiment.
What happened?
They had two groups of people. Both groups studied words in a new language.
Okay.
Then, one group listened to those words again during sleep.
And the other group?
The other group heard nothing, just silence.
So what happened the next day?
The group that listened during sleep remembered the words much better.
Wow, that is incredible.
So, yes, listening while sleeping can help.
But Lima, does this mean I can skip daytime studying?
No. Absolutely not.
I knew it was too easy.
Listening sleep is a helper, not a replacement.
So I still need to study during the day.
Yes, but listening sleep makes your daytime studying more powerful.
I understand. So it works best when you combine both.
Exactly. Day learning plus night listening equals faster progress.
I love that equation. Okay, Lima, now the important question.
What should we actually listen to while we sleep?
Not everything works. You need to choose the right type of audio.
What do you mean?
If you play a fast action movie, your brain will struggle.
Too much noise, too fast, too complicated.
Exactly. Your sleeping brain needs something gentle,
Something simple.
something slow.
Something clear.
So, here are the best things to listen to.
Number one. Number one, simple English conversations.
Like two people talking slowly and clearly.
Yes, everyday topics, simple words, natural sentences.
I can understand that even when I'm half asleep.
Exactly.
Number two,
Number two, vocabulary lists.
vocabulary, like just words.
Yes, words with their meanings and example sentences.
Repeated slowly and clearly.
Right. If you hear a word 5 times while sleeping, your brain remembers it better.
Repetition is so powerful.
Always.
Number three,
Number 3, simple English stories.
stories like short children's stories.
Yes, simple stories with easy words, clear narration, slow pace.
I love stories. They're relaxing too.
Perfect for sleeping. Your brain absorbs the language naturally.
Number four,
Number 4, English affirmations.
affirmations. What are those?
Positive sentences about yourself and your English.
Like, I am good at English?
Yes, or my English is getting better every day.
Oh, that is for the mind and the language.
2 benefits in 1.
I love that. Number five,
Number 5, podcasts designed for beginners.
like Smart English Official?
Exactly like Smart English Official.
Slow, clear, simple. Perfect for sleeping.
Yes, this podcast is perfect for sleep learning.
Friends, you can listen to us while you sleep.
And learn while you rest.
Best homework ever.
How to set up sleep learning.
Okay, Lima, now the practical part.
How do we actually do this correctly?
Yes, how do we set up sleep learning?
Step 1. Keep the volume very low.
Very low, not too loud.
It should be soft, like gentle background sound.
Like the sound of rain or quiet fan.
Exactly that soft. You don't want it to keep you awake.
Right, if it's too loud, you cannot sleep.
And if you cannot sleep, nothing works.
Good sleep is number one.
Always. Step 2, use a sleep timer.
A sleep timer? What is that?
You set your phone or device to stop playing after a certain time.
Like stop after 60 minutes.
Yes, maybe 60 to 90 minutes is enough.
You don't need it playing all night.
No, your deep sleep is very important. Don't disturb it.
So play the audio as you fall asleep, then let it stop.
Exactly. Step 3, use the right device.
What works best?
A small speaker near your bed works well.
Or comfortable sleep headphones?
Yes, the ones that are flat and soft for sleeping.
Not the big, heavy ones.
Definitely not. Step 4,
Step 4, choose content you already know.
already know, not new material?
Right, this is very important.
Why?
Because your sleeping brain cannot learn completely new things easily.
But it can strengthen what you already know.
Exactly. So study new words during the day.
Then listen to those same words at night.
Your brain hears them again and makes the memory stronger.
So it moves from short memory to long memory. Perfect! You understand very well, James.
Thank you, Lima.
James, people will ask, how do I know if this is working?
Good question. How do we check our progress?
The best way is to test yourself in the morning.
The morning after listening at night.
Yes, when you wake up, try to remember what you heard,
Say the words out loud.
or write them in a notebook.
Oh, a sleep learning notebook.
Yes, write the words you remember.
Then try to make sentences with those words.
Excellent. And try to use them during your day.
So, if I heard the word consistent while sleeping,
In the morning, you write it, say it, use it in a sentence.
I am consistent with my English practice.
Perfect sentence, James.
Thank you.
And the more you do this, the more you will notice improvement.
But it takes time.
Yes, this is not a one-night miracle.
You need to be consistent. There's that word again.
You are already using your vocabulary.
Sleep learning is already working.
James, I want to share a small story.
Yes, real stories help us believe it works.
I have a friend. Her name is Maya.
Okay, tell us about Maya.
Maya was learning English, but she was very busy.
Many people are busy,
She had work, she had children, she had a full schedule.
so she had very little time to study.
Yes, maybe only 20 minutes a day.
That is not much.
But she started listening to simple English conversations at night.
While sleeping?
Yes, very soft volume with a sleep timer.
And what happened?
After about 6 weeks, she noticed something.
What?
Like words felt more familiar
Like she had heard them before.
because she had, many times, while sleeping.
So when she saw the word during the day,
Her brain said, "Oh, I know this word."
that is so cool.
And her confidence grew.
Because of sleep learning combined with her daytime practice.
Exactly. Both together. That is the secret.
I love this story. Friends, you can do the same.
Start small, be consistent, and trust the process.
Okay, Lima, vocabulary time.
Yes, let's look at some words from today.
Word 1,
Word 1, consolidation.
consolidation. Big word.
It means making something stronger or more organized.
Like memory consolidation. Your brain organizes memories.
Exactly. Your brain consolidates what you learned.
Word 2,
Word 2, reinforce.
reinforce. What does that mean?
It means to make something stronger again.
Like listening at night reinforces what I studied during the day.
Perfect. Word 3,
Word 3,
consistent.
our favorite word today.
Yes, consistent means doing something regularly, every day.
Example, she is consistent. She listens to English every night.
Word 4,
Word 4,
passive.
passive. What does that mean?
Passive means without active effort. Something happens without you trying hard.
Like passive learning. You learn without working hard.
Sleep learning is passive learning.
I love passive things.
And word 5,
Word 5,
exposure.
exposure. Tell me more.
Exposure means being around something, hearing it, seeing it, experiencing it.
Like more exposure to English helps you learn faster.
Exactly. The more English you hear, the more you learn.
Even while sleeping.
Even while sleeping.
Friends, try to use these 5 words today.
Consolidation, reinforce, consistent, passive, exposure.
Write one sentence with each word.
And share it in the comments below.
Okay, Lima, let's go over everything.
Good idea. A quick review before we finish.
Number 1,
Your brain keeps working while you sleep.
it strengthens memories. It organizes information.
This is called memory consolidation.
Number 2,
Listening to English during sleep can help reinforce what you already know.
but it works best combined with daytime study.
Sleep learning is a helper, not a shortcut.
Number 3,
Choose the right audio. Simple conversations, vocabulary lists, easy stories.
slow, clear, gentle.
Set up correctly. Low volume, sleep timer, comfortable speaker.
And listen to familiar content, not new material.
Number 5,
Test yourself in the morning. Write words, use them in sentences.
track your progress, be patient, be consistent.
And combine sleep learning with daily practice,
Do all of this and your English will grow.
even while you sleep.
Friends, we have a question for you today.
What will you listen to tonight while you sleep?
This podcast? A vocabulary list? A simple story?
Tell us in the comments below.
We love reading your answers.
Every single comment.
And if this episode helped you,
Please give it a like.
subscribe to Smart English Official.
And share this with a friend who wants to improve their English.
Maybe a very busy friend who has no time to study.
And now they have no excuse.
They can learn while they sleep.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
You are amazing. We are proud of you.
This was Smart English Official with Lima and James.
Until next time, keep learning.
Keep growing.
And tonight,
Let your sleeping brain do some of the work for you.
good night and happy learning.
Sweet English dreams.
See you in the next episode.